Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Anil Suryanshi. I am here to explain about waterfall model. Introduction to the waterfall model. Introduce the waterfall model as one of the earliest software development methodologies. Emphasize its step-by-step linear structure which moves in one direction through predefined phases. Note that requirements are gathered comprehensively at the beginning with the entire project relying on accurate planning from the start. Phases of the waterfall model. Requirements awareness. Collecting and documenting all projects requirements. System design. Designing the architecture and planning software and hardware needs. Implementation. Translating the design into code and developing the software. Testing. Verifying that each component meets requirements, checking for bugs. Deployment. Installing the system in a live environment and making it operational. Next is advantages of the waterfall model. Clear subject structure. Each stage had defined tasks, making progress easy to follow. Easy to management. Simple to assign tasks as phases are clearly outlined. Documentation is in depth. Complete documentation each phase provides reference points for future stages. Ideal for short-term, well-defined projects. Works well for projects with stable requirements and little expect changes. There is a disadvantage of the water model. Lack of flexibility. Its phase outcome requires revision. It's challenging to make changes. Potential for high cost. Error discovered in later phases can be expenses to fix due to sequential nature. Waterfall model versus algae model. Waterfall. Pros. Structure less complex in managing short-term projects. Cons. Lacks flexibility, limited stakeholder engagement. Ugly. Pros. Adopts well to change, allows for continuous feedback. Cons. More complex to manage, requires frequent collaboration. Visual. Diagram comparing linear waterfall versus iterative ugly workflow. Use cases and applications. Ideal for projects with defined requirements. Example include construction projects, embedded systems and government process where requirements remain stable. Industrial still using waterfall. Construction, government, defense, healthcare and finance industries where regulations require strict adherence to project plans. Include specific examples such as banking systems on ERP solutions where requirements are unlikely to change mid-project. There is a conclusion and key takeaways. Summary. The waterfall model remains an effective approach for projects with clear objectives and fixed requirements. Key takeaway. Waterfall is the best suited for projects with low uncertainty and high predictability through less ideal for dynamic, fast involving projects. Final note. The waterfall model provides a foundation on which newer methodologies like ugly are based. Thank you.